Hey, what's up YouTube? Back with an interesting video. We have seen smartphones with crazy new technologies. We have seen smartphones with pop-up cameras and then the whole part raisers like we have seen on the Oppo Find X. And in some, the whole camera flips upon like we have seen on the Asus 6Z. But when it comes to Samsung, they are one of those companies which make true innovation. And that innovation is found in the Samsung Galaxy A80. This video is the first look and the hands-on experience of the A80. Huge shout out to Purvika for sponsoring this video. If you want to buy any speakers, headphones or any sort of phones from Realme to Samsung and from Redmi to Apple, including the OnePlus smartphones, then you'll get it in Purvika. So please do check in your nearest Purvika store. So think mobile, think Purvika. Let's get started. So this is the Galaxy A80. It definitely looks very premium because of its full body AMOLED 6.7-inch 1080p display, no notch, no punch hole and nothing, just the screen. Now let's start with the I/O. At the top it has secondary noise cancellation mic, bottom it has the SIM tray which includes 2 Nano-SIMs and a microSD card slot, and a single speaker, mic and USB Type-C. And this phone is one of the first Samsung phones to have 25-watt fast charging. And to the right it has power switch and to the left it has the volume rockers. And regarding the build quality, it has glass back and a single camera setup that rotates. So let me explain that later. It doesn't really support wireless charging despite having the glass back. And by the way, it is protected by the Corning's Gorilla Glass 6. To the back and to the front, it has the Corning's Gorilla Glass 3. Now let's talk about the software. It comes with Android Pie out of the box and it has my favorite One UI 1.1. And here are some more specs. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. That is backed up by 3700 mAh battery. Now coming to the cameras, they are incredible. It has 48MP primary camera, 8MP ultra wide and a 3D camera with a flash, all fitted inside a single module. So the camera app is very simple. You'll get this normal camera and then the ultra wide which covers up to 123-degree field of view, live focus for pics, pro mode for pros, as I always tell that. And old generation Panorama. I don't see many people using this Panorama mode regularly, but it's still there if you want it. And a dedicated night mode that's finally here. And it has also live focus for video, super slow motion, and here's a sample clip for the super slow motion. It also comes with slow motion and hyperlapse. You also get Bixby Vision and AR emoji, etc. So their use depends on the user itself. Now, front cameras. I did not explain anything about the front cameras. Rear cameras and front cameras both are same and that is achieved by this mechanism. It has all the same features like the rear camera. We really need to appreciate Samsung for doing this crazy tech. To conclude, let me tell two more points. One, the sound quality. It has this single bottom firing speakers and they are quite loud, and here's a sample of that. And the last point, the price. It is available for 47,999, which isn't cheap. You can increase your budget by a bit, that is by 1000 rupees. Then you can go for the OnePlus 7 Pro, that's at 49,000, which is definitely better choice than the A80 unless you want this unique crazy tech and the Samsung branding. So that was pretty much everything about the powerful crazy Samsung Galaxy A80. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.